Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Pytest Fixtures Part 1. Before we start, let's recap what we have learned in the previous video. In the previous video, we explored Playwright's auto-weighting feature with a clear walkthrough using a sample program. And today's self-evaluation question is, which conditions are verified before executing locator.clickoff in Playwright? Please answer in the comment box. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch it to get to know the answer. Let's get started. When we write the test automations like UI automation, API automation, or DB automation, we may need certain code to be executed at the beginning or at the end of the test. This can be achieved by using Pytest fixtures. We call it as setup and tear down features in test automation. We can reuse the code something like WebDriver initialization and cleanup, DB connection, or passing test data to automation scripts. So Pytest fixtures are a powerful feature in Pytest that helps set up and tear down resources needed for tests. They allow you to create reusable test setups, making your test code more organized, efficient, and maintainable. What are fixtures? Fixtures are nothing, it's functions. It provides the predefined test data or setup environments before running a test. Fixtures avoid the code duplication. It ensures the consistency across multiple tests, and it manages the dependencies like database, files, and API connections. Now let's see the types of fixtures in Pytest. There are various types of fixtures in Pytest. Those are categorized based on its scope and functionality. I am going to demonstrate all the types one by one with examples. The first one is basic fixtures. The basic fixtures provide the test data or setup environments to the test. As you can see in this example, sample data is the function. So it is returning one JSON data, and we have specified @pytest.fixture annotation. So this is taking care of converting this function to a fixture function. Test user is the test function. So here we are passing the sample data as an argument. So from here onwards, you can use the sample data. So here sample data is returning the JSON format like name and designation. So we can use this name and designation by using the sample data. So this is the way to use the sample data value. So if you see sample underscore data of name means you will get this this name. So this is how the Pytest fixtures will work. So I will open the Visual Studio Code and I will show you one sample program. This is our previous program. So let me remove all this code. I'll comment this code. So now let's define the fixture function. All the Pytest fixtures are available in this Pytest dependency. So we already imported. First, we are going to define the fixture function. So for that, we have to start with the Pytest dot fixture. So I'll write sample data. So I'm going to return the same JSON data. So now the basic fixture function is ready. So we are going to use this sample data in our test first program. Copy this name and I'll pass as an argument of our test method. So let me display the name. So if we wanted to use this name, we have to use the function name, fixture function name, and then within bracket, we have to pass a key. Same way, I'm going to display the designation also. Okay, let's run this program. Yeah, test case is passed. If you see, the name and designation is printed. So this is how to use a basic fixture. Here I am stopping this video. You can watch the continuation in Pytest Fixtures Part 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.